Hello, today I'm going to paint bubbles with Christmas tree, and I have painted one already just for you to see how it's going to look like, but I'm changing here a little bit because I'm making a bigger contrast for the tree. And as you see, the contrast is much bigger because in the first painting I was using white and green, or lighter green and darker green, and here I'm using the cake which has in it brown color. So straight away you can see it's kind of more distinctive, these needles on the tree. I painted this video without speeding up so you can see how quick it can actually take the whole process. So just now the video is around 4 minutes, and that's how fast I can do this, and you can do this as well. So I'm going over a little bit lighter shade just to pronunciate the highlights on my tree, and then I'm going to start bubbles. By the way, I run a group on Facebook which is called One Stroke Beauties, and if I'm going to do these kind of videos, first I'm going to post it there. So I welcome you to go and find this group, which is going to be in description as well, and join it so you can see more works by other artists as well, what they're doing with one strokes. When I'm picking up the color, I normally pick up the split cake, which has a lot of contrast in it. So for example, I'll use dark red and then lighter, and maybe finishing up with white. So there is a lot of change of color in the one stroke that I'm doing. They are mixing a little bit, and I use this as well in my paintings. Here I'm painting another bauble, which is not regular sphere, just because to make it different, to make it more interesting. If you see nothing is happening on the video, that means that I'm loading the paint or changing brush or washing the brush. To finish off, I'm just adding highlights, and then later on I'll add shadows as well, and this will be it. This is very easy design. There are different stencils could be added to this, and it will look also a bit differently with each different stencil. I have added circle ones in here, which may be not the best one that I chose, and it's also a bit more difficult to apply the stencil on the board than on the face. But hey, look, if you can do it on the board, you'll be able to do it on the face, no problem at all. I love these boards because although they're a bit harder to use than on the face, if you learn how to paint on them, it's really easy to paint on the face itself, and they are very easy to make some designs and to plan designs for yourself. I will also add some teardrops or some lines, swirls if you wish, whatever you want to add to this, some dots as well. Well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions, and also you can go to the face painting group which is called One Stroke Beauty and join it as well. See you next time. Bye!